Hello and welcome to Your Mind IDE. Today we're going to explore binary numbers and specifically how to convert binary numbers to decimal numbers. So I have actually covered this topic before. I made a much longer video and I went over some other concepts about binary and different bases. So if you're totally unfamiliar with binary and different bases, you might want to check that video out instead. But today I just wanted to do something that's really to the point, just a quick conversion if you're maybe in a time crunch or if you already kind of know what binary numbers are. You just want to know quickly how to convert them. Maybe you forgot. Okay. So basically, the most basic here is 0000 is going to be 0. So this is binary and decimal. 0001 is going to be 1. 010 is going to be 2. 0011 is going to be 3. So how are we getting these numbers? I think the easiest way to think of it is with essentially index points. So these are index points, and what that means is like this here is there, this here is here, this here is here, and so on. I think you get the idea. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, this is binary, so binary is 2. So all you need to do to convert from binary to the decimal value is look at the index point, okay? And you pretty much just take whatever is in that index point. So if that's so it'll be a 1 or a 0. If it's a 1 or a 0 times 2 to the index. So if your index point is 0, so let's go ahead and just do one here. 1 0 1 0. So at index point 0, we've got 0 times 2 to the 0. And then we just add, so at the next index point, and we just keep going up here. Just like that. And then we just calculate that out. So this is 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 8, which equals 10. So 1 0 1 0, this is going to be 10. And you can do that for any binary number that you want to do here. So we could go index 0, 1, 2, and 3. So this is going to be 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8, which is 10, 15. And so on and so forth. Now, the only thing to kind of keep in mind here is signed and unsigned. So what I showed you there was unsigned. So also keep in mind this is not 2's complement. I'm not going to talk about what that is. But if something asks you for 2's complement, that's not what this is. I am going to do another video later on going over that, but we're not talking about that here. So let's say you have 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So if you just take this number and do like what we were doing, two to the 3, 1 times 2 to the 4, 4 not y, 1 times 2 to the 5, that's 1, 2, or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. And then we just convert this, so 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32. Yeah. Then we have 32 is 48 is 56, 58, 59. So that's what we would get just by taking it as an unsigned binary number. Now, that's not to be confused with a signed binary number. So what does that mean? Well, we have to know if it's signed or unsigned. If it is signed, we look at the first digit, or the most significant bit, I guess you could say. So if that is a 1, equals negative. If it's a 0, it equals positive. So if this was a 0, let's just write that. So if that's 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. We can just do this in our heads. That's 1 plus 2, 3, so 27 should be. So that would be, this is positive, 0, so it's a positive. Whereas this is, let's just split this off so we don't get it confused. So this is signed. So if it's 0, it's positive. Whereas if we had 1, 1, 0, 1, now this is going to be negative. So we just throw that negative sign, 27. So in signed, that is a negative 27, converting it from binary to decimal, which we saw how to do that. Times 2 to the 2, 2 to the 3, 1 times 2 to the 4, which is 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 8 plus 16, which 10, 26, 27, yep, 27. And that's about it. So yeah, so this should be a much shorter video, just showing you how to actually do that quick conversion. Maybe you're in a time crunch, so hopefully that helps you out. If it did help you out, please give the video a like and also consider subscribing to the channel. I'm going to be posting a bunch of other videos on different math tutorials, engineering concepts, coding, all kinds of different stuff. So if that's of interest to you, definitely subscribe to the channel. That really helps me out. Okay, thank you so much for watching today. Till next time, take care.